Hi everyone, Daniel Davis here again from Automotive Talk. I've just been doing some more upgrades to the 300ZX. I've bought another JWT air filter, so that's gone in recently. One of the items that was stolen was the hood prop or bonnet prop. I've gone out and bought a new one of those today. It didn't cost me too much, so that was good, and I got it locally. So in this video I'm just going to show you quickly how to install the new hood prop. You could actually install aftermarket gas struts on these cars. It's something I might do in the future, but it's a little bit more costly than the OEM bonnet prop. By installing these aftermarket units you get a lot more clearance to work on your engine. I think that they just fit into the existing holes in the engine bay. I think on this side it would be easy enough to fit one, but on the other side I've got a master cylinder brace, which might make it a little bit more tricky. So I found the easiest way to do it was to sit it slightly to the side of the car, have it facing downwards. All you got to do is just push it in, turn it around, and then you bring it up slightly, push it in a little bit more, and then it's in. It helps to get this little rubber grommet down the bottom here. They're not that expensive at all. I think I paid only a couple of dollars for that, but that holds it in really nicely. It's important to really hook it in at the bottom as well, so if you feel underneath you'll be able to notice whether you've got it in properly or not. So now it should be really easy to go down and up. Make sure you have the hook facing that way, and then if you've still got your clips, there's two clips that it clips into, push them down, and then it's nice and secure in there. I hope you've enjoyed how to install the OEM bonnet prop on a 300ZX. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And for a detailed video on how to install the pod filter, I have another video on that. Thanks for watching.